Hey friends, if you encounter the GeForce Game Ready driver installation error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before anything else, obviously one may say that update the drivers, but before anything else, you need to make sure that your system is even compatible with GeForce. So we will search for GeForce system requirements. Okay, these are the requirements. Check if you have these requirements on your system, because if you don't, then it will not work anyway. So this is the biggest problem. Okay, so does your system have more than 20 fps? I mean, these are the minimum requirements. You can install GeForce, but it will not work. So once this is done, don't update the drivers from the device manager. This is my suggestion. Simply search for GeForce drivers online. I'll tell you later why, but first of all, we'll go to the official driver website. We'll click on download now, and then we will click on open. Now I'll tell you why I am doing this, why I am not going to the driver manager, because these drivers are somewhat sensitive, and if they are not working, then you have to download the absolute latest version. The version that we have in the device manager, let me show you, is the one which is being sent by Windows. So yeah, you can consider updating it from here, but it won't make any difference. This one is obviously better. And then click on agree and continue. It will start installing the NVIDIA app, and along with it, it will also install the latest drivers. Lastly, you can update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.